in 6 to 7 days your attention about spinach. Listen to umuntu wesifazane unjani ukhulele. Spinach osijani sibambile. Do you understand? So these are the two structures that people allow. But I want you to notice something. The structure that produces estrogen is called a graphic follicle. The structure that produces progesterone is called i-corpus luteum. Sisithola kanjani? After i-graphic follicle isikhumi no-decotin yabenzekani. Ends yaba-ruptured. We have a hormone that produces hypophysis and converts this empty ruptured graphic follicle. Yenza i-corpus luteum. Bese i-corpus luteum iqala izoproduce progesterone. It's empty there. Without FSH, that's the follicles. Without the follicles, that's the estrogen. Because estrogen is produced by the follicles. Without NH, the luteinizing hormone, that's the corpus luteum. Without the corpus luteum, that's the progesterone. What progesterone produces the corpus luteum. That is progesterone. Progesterone is the hormone which does what? Maintains pregnancy by making the endometrium more thicker, more glandular, and more vascular. Then we have two hypophysis hormone. Kudala, ibizwa ngokuthi pituitary gland. The hormone is FSH. It is a follicle stimulating hormone. It is a what? A follicle stimulating hormone. Hormone function from what? It is the hormone which stimulates the function of what? Of follicles, or the development of what? Of follicles. It is the hormone which stimulates the development of follicles. So as FSH is stimulating the development of follicles are not produce estrogen. You understand? Which means without FSH, as the follicles, without follicles, that's not estrogen. Simple as when you get age, you utilize the hormone. Utilize the hormone, because it's function now too. Utilize the hormone, it causes the graphic follicle to burst and release the time, which means if utilize the hormone is promoting the ovulation. Once the ovulation is here, after you utilize the hormone, it's going to perform a function at speed. As a converter, this empty ruptured graphic follicle ends in the corpus luteum. Then the corpus luteum produces progesterone. You understand? Now, as the progesterone maintains pregnancy, progesterone uba need away in order to maintain pregnancy. They are using the progesterone they are using the progesterone implants. They are using the progesterone injections.